how to withdraw money from Jetleak. First of all, open up the Jetleak application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Now once you're on this page, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now, once you're on this page, you will be able to view all your total balance, payable balance, deposited balance, and your withdrawable balance. So, if you have a sufficient withdrawable balance, then only you will be able to withdraw from Jetly. So, in case if you have the sufficient balance, tap on transactions from here, and on this page, you will find an option that is withdraw funds or cash out buttons in this page. So, tap on it. After that, it will ask for your information for the verification. So provide all the required information. Now, once your information is approved, you can finalize your withdrawal. So that's the way to withdraw money from Jetleak, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.